Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready um, to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So, we will be dealing with lesson number 9, identifying various ways PCX enhances our quality of life across health and safety. Physics isn't just something we learn in classroom. It's a powerful tool that helps protect our health and keep us safe every day. From hospitals to traffic systems, physics plays a role in improving the quality of life. Some real-life examples. In number 1, medical imaging and diagnosis. Physics is used in machines like X-rays, see inside bones, MRI scans, view organs and tissues, ultrasound, used during pregnancy, CT scans, detect internal injuries or diseases. These machines use waves and magnetic waves to help doctors diagnose problems safely. Number 2, laser surgery and treatment. Laser technology based on light physics is used in eye surgeries like LASIK, skin treatments, and removing tumors or repairing tissues. It allows for precise and less invasive procedures. Number 3, radiation therapy. Physics help in treating cancer by using focused radiation, which are high energy particles or waves, to target and destroy cancer cells while protecting healthy tissues. Number 4, safety devices. Seat belts and airbags work based on Newton's laws of motion. Helmets and crash barriers reduce impact using the principles of force and momentum. Elevators, elevator brakes, smoke alarms, and electrical safety devices also apply physics to protect us. And number 5, health monitoring devices. Physics allows the creation of tools like thermometers in measuring temperature, heart rate monitors, and blood pressure devices, which help in tracking our health at home or in hospitals. Number 6, clean water and sanitation. Water filters, purifiers, and UV sterilizers use physics to remove harmful bacteria and particles, making water safe to drink. Physics help us detect and treat illness, improve medical technology, reduce injury during accidents, stay healthy and clean. It's clear that physics is essential in saving lives and protecting our health every day. More ways physics enhances health and safety in daily life. Physics doesn't just stay inside laboratories or science books. It is a part of the real world systems that keep us healthy, prevent accident, and make emergencies more manageable. Number 7, infrared thermometers and body scanners. During health checks, especially in hospitals, airports, and schools, infrared thermometers and thermal scanners use the physics of infrared radiation to detect a person's body temperature without direct contact quickly and safely. Number 8, defibrillators. When someone's heart stops beating properly, a defibrillator delivers a controlled electric shock to restore normal rhythm. This works through electrical signals, circuits, and energy transfer concepts grounded in physics. Number 9, oxygen delivery systems. In hospitals or ambulances, oxygen tanks and flow regulators rely on physics principles like gas pressure, flow rate, and volume to ensure patients receive the right amount of oxygen during treatment. Number 10, fire detection and suppression systems. Smoke detectors use ions and electrical current or light sensors to detect smoke particles. Sprinkler systems apply the principles of fluid pressure and heat sensitivity to activate in case of fire. Number 11, UV disinfection technology. Physics explains how ultraviolet light can kill bacteria and viruses. UV lamps are now used in hospitals, public toilets, and even water stations to sterilize surfaces and liquids. Number 12, sound-based devices for the visually impaired. Okay, so P6 helps in the development of echolo- echolocation-based aids and sound sensors that help visually impaired individuals detect obstacles or navigate spaces. Number 13, smart wearable health devices. Smartwatches and fitness bands that track your heart rate, sleep, and movement use sensor based on electromagnetism and motion detection, all tied to physics principles. Physics is one of the most important tools we use in healthcare, safety, and survival. It allows us to create and advance diagnostic tools, design life-saving medical treatment, build systems that prevent injury, ensure access to clean water and safe air. By understanding physics, students can see how science is not just for tests, it saves lives and help protects people every day. MCQ for lesson 9. Okay, number 1. What principles allow an X-ray machine to create images of bones inside the body? Letter A, magnetic field rotation. Letter B, reflection of light. Letter C, penetration of electromagnetic waves. Letter D, sound wave refraction. Number 2, which physics concepts is based in MRI, magnetic resonance imaging? Letter A, gravitational acceleration. Letter B, sound vibration. Letter C, magnetic fields and radio waves. Letter D, static electricity. Number 3, what makes laser surgery effective in procedures like LASIK eye surgery? Letter A, sound energy delivery. Letter B, controlled use of light energy. Letter C, friction-based cutting. Letter D, high pressure water jets. Number 4, how does radiation therapy treat cancer? Letter A, by treating the tumor until it evaporates. Letter B, by using chemicals to dissolve it. Letter C, by directing high energy particles to target cells. Letter D, by freezing surrounding tissue. Number 5. What physics principles explains how airbags protect passengers during car crashes? Letter A, static electricity repulsion. Letter B, law of inertia. C, momentum and impulse reduction. Letter D, buoyant force application. Number 6. What role does a thermometer play in health monitoring? Letter A, detects blood type. Letter B, measures body pressure. Letter C, records temperature through thermal expansion. Letter D, captures light wavelengths. Number 7. What is the purpose of UV light in sanitation systems? Letter A, it cools down water quickly. Letter B, it reflects sound waves. Letter C, it kills bacteria and viruses. Letter D, it hardens plastic materials. Number 8. How does an infrared thermometer measure body temperature? Letter A, by touching the skin directly. Letter B, by detecting heat radiation from the body. Letter C, by recording sound waves from the body. Letter D, by counting heartbreaks. Number 9. Which device delivers an electric shock to restore heart rhythm? Letter A, pacemaker. Letter B, ECG machine. Letter C, defibrillator. Letter D, thermoscanner. Number 10. How do oxygen tanks regulate airflow to patients? Letter A, through light absorption. Letter B, through gas pressure and flow control. Letter C, using UV sterilization. Letter D, via vibration sensors. Number 11. What causes a smoke detector to sound an alarm in case of fire? Letter A, sound frequency detection. Letter B, change in temperature only. Letter C, detection of light or ion disturbance. Letter D, detection of carbon dioxide levels. Number 12. What principles do sprinkler systems use to release water in a fire emergency? Letter A, electrical current. Letter B, magnetic resistance. Letter C, fluid pressure and heat sensitivity. Letter D, buoyancy and surface tension. Number 13. Which of the following devices helps visually impaired individuals navigate using sound? Letter A, infrared scanners. Letter B, digital clocks. Letter C, echolocation-based tools. Letter D, thermometers. Number 14. What physics concepts is behind fitness bands that track heart rate and steps? Letter A, refraction of waves. Letter B, electromagnetic sensors and motion detection. Letter C, inertia of mass. Letter D, thermal expansion. Number 15. Why is physics important in modern hospitals and health systems? Letter A, it improves flavor of food. Letter B, it allows creation of entertainment devices. Letter C, it helps detect, treat, and prevent health problems. Letter D, it makes hospital rooms more colorful. The answer key for today's lesson number 9 will be provided to you in our next lesson 10. Answer key for lesson 8 will be from number 1 to 7. That's it. And then 8 to 15. Okay? So, and that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Okay, so see you next lesson. Bye-bye.